What's up, legends? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So I just spent 8 days in the Eastern Sierra Mountains, mainly in the Mammoth Lakes area. And during those 8 days, I turned another year older. Yeah, apparently time waits for no one. So how do you celebrate a birthday out in Mammoth? Well, easy. You hike to literally the most metal sounding place in California, the Devil's Postpile. And just to really flex on Mother Nature, we tried to hit Rainbow Falls too. What's up? So here I am. We just got off the big, annoying shuttle. We're about to head to Devil's Postpile, followed by Rainbow Falls. We're gonna get some long exposures at the Rainbow Falls. Hopefully get the rainbow in there. But yeah, that's what we're doing. So see you when we get there. Here's the thing, we got a late start, which meant by the time that we got to the Devil's Postpile, well, we had to make the responsible adult decision. Either A, enjoy the postpile, or risk missing the last shuttle and getting stuck out there overnight. Spoiler alert, I'm not equipped to fight a bear for my sleeping spot. So yeah, we stuck with the Devil's Postpile. Now the hike itself, pretty mild. The payoff, epic. You get to the top of this insane rock formation, hexagonal basalt columns, and there's this random tree growing right out of it. Nature's like, yeah, physics? Never heard of it. So here I am, Devil's Postpile. Hey, it's not that far up, huh? Pretty cool views. With the river down there. It's really cool how these pretty much they solidified in the shape of hexagons. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna fire off a couple spots or a couple shots. I'm probably gonna do handheld with this because I don't really feel like setting up the tripod here, having the tripod tumble. There's a slipping hazard here. So I'm gonna fire off a couple shots and there you go. Here we are, we're on the river, or creek. We're not gonna be able to make it to Rainbow Falls because the hike is, the length of time that it takes to get there, we wouldn't be able to catch a shuttle back. So the smart thing to do would be not to make that hike, so we're not stranded out here. So I decided, take some shots of the creek. I'm doing some long exposures, getting a little bit of video, recording on my 4K monitor. And so by the way, 4K monitor, mwah, chef's kiss, amazing. So I'm getting some really good shots right now. So here's some of the shots. Then came the shuttle ride back into town, which was its own adventure. Imagine a one-lane dirt road, barely wider than the shuttle, tires just inches from the cliff's edge, and a driver who's way too calm about the whole thing. Oh, and let's not forget a couple of drunk cougars in the back offering to sit on my lap and hold my stick. Back on the shuttle. Headed back to town. Pretty fun day. A great time. Took some cool photos. Saw some cool stuff. Can't wait to get back to the pool though. Jump in the pool, jump in the jacuzzi, have a drink, enjoy my 50th birthday.
Old man.
I am an old man. Yes, I am. There it is. Now, I didn't make it to Rainbow Falls this time, which means I have to come back. But the day actually ended on a pretty high note. I got my very first authentic cannoli from Chat's Bakery. Now, was it part of my diet? No. Was it worth it? 1,000%. It was my birthday, okay? Don't judge me. Overall, it was an amazing day with amazing people, and I got to capture some killer moments. So here's my question for you. What would you have done differently? Would you have pushed on to Rainbow Falls, or stick with the Postpile and save it for another trip? Let me know down in the comments. And there it is, my 50th birthday at the Devil's Postpile in Mammoth Lakes, California. It was a cool sight to see, and even cooler to take photos of. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and click the bell to be notified of all the good stuff. Also visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom presets as well as my upcoming photo prints. And until next time, get out and shoot. And I'll see you in the next video.